So, you guys remember that little embroidery piece I made into a weaving frame? Well, I repurposed it and embroidered on top. So, my idea was to do maybe like some dinosaurs, embroider that on top, there's meteors, his butt's on fire, and yeah. So that was my first idea. Second idea is this guy did like a seance and demons. This little guy flew out, grabbed that other guy, and we'll have that little flame cover him. I don't know. This demon has a flower because nice little demon spawn bats. I don't know. Everything's on fire. Except there's a rainbow because, yeah, let's have some juxtaposition on that or something. I don't know. Third idea was an alien invasion with like the horses and stuff getting taken, aliens blowing heads off, hats flying. They're awfully thick for an alien. I don't know. Okay, that was a lot to say. So I put that up on Instagram, on my story, not this one, but this one, and I had those three. I'm like, which one do you guys like? DM me, and then it would turn out being between demons and aliens won. Also, my hair's blue. Well, now that I'm editing it, it's like kind of silver gray, or I don't know. But anyways, so aliens won. So the first thing that I did was I was going to unstitch the horse because that's going to be taken off into the tractor beam. I also undid that man because I got confused and thought I was doing the demon for a second. But whatever. I put a backing on there just to protect the thread and then to also hold in the new thread. Also, there was like a blue little outline that I guess Daria used as a template. Try to use acetone to get it off, and that didn't seem to work. Whatever, we'll just roll with it. So, alien. I sketched it out and messed up. That's fine. But we just went ahead and started embroidering. Did like some, I think it's a split stitch for most outlines, and then just a sand stitch to fill. So, cool. I used this like weird iridescent type see-through fabric for the tractor beam, sew that on. It was kind of a pain, but I thought it looked kind of cool. Neat. Drew my horse on there. Use another split stitch to do the outline, and then the sand stitch to fill it in. I used like a little paintbrush marker to draw it on. I was trying to use like a pen and a pencil before, and it wasn't really working. And that seemed to work out nice, and I figured I was just going to cover it up with this black line anyway, so wouldn't matter if it was kind of dark. Achoo. That's supposed to be his little hat that flew off. Achoo, achoo. Another little laser beam. And that duck exploded. Or bird, I don't know, but it exploded. So I just drew on like the final little details, some more flames and stuff. I used the wrong yellow right here. You'll see in a second I undid it, which was awesome. I've been thinking it'd be kind of cool to like maybe go to thrift stores every once in a while, maybe once a month, and get a project to like upcycle like this. That might be fun. Maybe mostly do embroidery stuff, but also maybe like paint over some paintings. Because you could add like flames to almost all paintings, maybe. I don't know. There we go, yeah. Just put a flame over that guy because I messed up and thought we were doing the demon one for a second when I unstitched him, but it's okay. Sign it next to Daria. Daria, thanks so much for making this. That was really cool of you, and it made for a nice little collab, so neat. I also did a thing where I wanted this to be like also a nightscape. So if you put a little black light on it, it turns it to like a nighttime scenery thing with like stars and stuff. So wow. So I didn't know if I was gonna like frame it, but then I ended up thinking that maybe if I got some thread and just sewed it onto my jacket, that could be cool. I tried to match the colors of the background with like that cream and then that yellow. I thought I did a pretty good job. It matches pretty well. And whoop. Cool. So guys, starting now, I'm going to try to be putting out a new video every other Thursday. And that's partly why it took so long to get a new video out, because I was getting all those things worked out. And then also here at the end of the videos, I'm going to tease what's coming up next. So this is what the next video is going to be about, guys. Get stoked. Stoked? I don't know. Blah.